someday, I wanna lay down.
What's up, y'all? It's Chef Lee, and we are here in Austin, Texas at Dirty Laundry, and this is Gabriel. Look, and so we're going to look around the store.
First of all, welcome. Thank you guys for having me. Yeah, we like to pride ourselves on being the premier resale shop in Austin. We carry everything from Antisocial, Babe, Supreme, your exclusive Nikes, Yeezys, all the accessories. We carry Crep as well, skate decks, everything that you would want to be. I mean, right here we got your classic Supreme box logo. I want to say that was fall winter 18. Fall winter 17. That's going for about 1.1K. We have size 11 and a half, off-white. Jordan 1 UNC, me personally, that was probably the best colorway that they did in the Jordans. I know I'm gonna piss a lot of people off by saying that, but we also have a pair of Prestos for the ladies, size 4. I think they were your size.
Yes.
This was definitely a slept-on shoe. Everybody wanted black. I like white shoes. I always wear white shoes. We got a used rack, man, of some box logo hoodies, a couple of baked pieces. We don't really take too much used stuff in, but we will take it in. We buy, sell, trade all day long if it is worth it. This is the new Supreme drop that we got, the bottle cap tee. I thought that was super dope. We actually hit online and we were able to register a spot, so we flew a couple homies up. They were the first 10 in line, so they hit the airport the next day. Man, we were one of the first people in Texas to have it. The liquid metal tee was definitely a dope tee as well. I'm waiting to try and snag an XL in that. We only had small, medium, and large. Big size is all sold out. Antisocial, man. A lot of times we sit on exclusive product and then we'll dump it out later on. Like this is all from, I want to say this was the Complex Con Undefeated Antisocial collab. This Singapore piece is definitely a really dope piece that is coveted. So we have one of these, that stock still sitting. I want to say all the Playboy stuff actually sold out, man. We just put like two, 3 more pieces out last night, and I think they sold. We got all the new Palace in. This is some of the newer Palace stuff that released not this past Friday, but the Friday prior. Definitely has been moving very quickly. As you said, you guys walked by Saturday, and or the other day, you guys walked by and we had
Supreme.
And now we're
almost sold out.
We got crumbs left, man. People are picking away.
You guys, this is like an A-list store right now in Austin, Texas.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Bodies start to drop, ayy. Hit the floor. Now they wanna know me.
Yeah, we're at Dirty Laundry _USA. Also, we carry a lot of local brands, man. We got Bun B in the building with the Team Trail tees. Tastemaker is actually my brand. Before I started working here, man, I started this probably about a little over a year ago, man, and I approached Carlos, who was the owner at the time of Dirty Laundry, and you know, we experimented and put a couple pieces in, and everything sold out. Since then, I've done 2 pop-ups. I did a fashion show at Emo's. If you guys know Austin, Emo's is a staple in this city. I was able to be part of the Raw Artist show. Raw Artists, shout out Raw Artists. And we've been selling out since, man. I think Tastemaker is on the up and up. A lot of people have been supporting me, so thank you everybody that supports. And you know, follow us on IG, man. TSTMKR17. And then, you know, obviously the shop. This is a collab that I did with the shop prior to working here. I'm a huge fan of Cause. I'm a huge fan of Charlie Brown, man, and you know, I thought what better way, Dirty Laundry, man, he used Pigpen, and I love Snoopy, period. So that's where the inspiration came from. Christine, thank you for your graphic design help, and you know, Will Smith. Who else do you think of in the 90s, man? My man was just telling me about some Bel Airs. You know, if you got some Bel Airs, man, hit us up online, bro, and we'll send you out a tea.
I just took a perk, now I'm on another level. Tasting on the molly, got me dancing with the devil. Pull the A for Kobe Bryant, mix it purple with the yellow. Got these rats on the neck.
Make sure y'all shop and support, like, and follow Dirty Laundry.
They jump out the face. They jump out the face. Mine ain't gon' stack and this mine ain't gon' fall though. Big milk. Came from the hood, now we jump out the states. Peabody diamonds, they jump out the face. Ducking in diamonds and selling it white. Got a wife for these niggas to jump on your case. You watch out these niggas they playing. And none of the money don't come out the safe. Fuck with my dog, I can chunk out your face, nigga. I be so high, I can jump out the space. What the fuck can I say? I be so fly, I just don't shit my cake when the